Okay, hey guys, good evening to all of you. As you all know, we are back with our late night stocks by request where we analyze the top stocks that you guys requested via social media. So, for this video, we're going to talk about tech, we're going to talk about SM, we're going to talk about AGI, and we're going to talk about Metro Bank, all from the lenses of technical analysis. So if you're new to this, my name is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and I've been investing in the market for more than a decade now. And I create daily videos like this for both of my channels, Marvin Germo and this one, Stock Investing Made Easy. Okay, guys, we're near 7,000 subscribers in this very, very new channel. So thank you so much to everyone. And if you want more of this, you want more videos like this, like, share, subscribe, so you get to be part of this growing number of people investing in the market. So I want to start and I want to get off quickly. I normally start off looking at the index. So the PSEI, if you notice it from our last analysis, was over here. So as you can see, right now, sakto, I'll erase this. I purposely left this on so you guys see it. Ayan. It's on its third day of it breaking out from this level, the 5960 level. And as you can see, sakto siya, it's at the resistance. When I say it's at the resistance of this long-term downtrend. And that being said, it's at the make or break situation again. If it breaks past this, then we have this progression that could possibly be the norm, and we could see the index push higher, and we could see the index go at a higher pace all the way up to the 6180 level. But if that does not hold, then it will put pressure back to the 5960 level. So a couple of things that I'd like to mention. Very, very important tomorrow. If there's one thing that you guys should watch, sorry, I should have made myself smaller. I'm sorry. Sorry. Kaya hindi ko 'to ginagamit masyado kasi nakakalimutan ko ibalik. So, ayan, I'm sorry. So, if there's one thing that I do know is that it will place pressure to the downward trending resistance. If bulls prevail, the movement here will work. If selling will happen, because please remember, this from the start of September, the index from its lowest point is already up 5.6% in just a few days. Please remember the index is a broad range of stocks, 30 plus stocks inside the PSE. So there may be a segment also of investors that may want to lock in profits, and people seeing this may also be a deterrent. So again, resistance to watch out for, this downward trending line. Then after that, this support to watch out for is this. Next support to watch out for, 20-day moving average. Then you go here. So those are the 5 points to look at for this particular analysis. Now, let's look at tech. It was quite interesting today, no? It gapped higher. Please remember, yesterday the close was around 5.66. Today it opened 5.9 kagad, then large green candle made it push up and close to around 6.07. So if I'm gonna plot this line here, you will see it start to push at this level. And if you allow me also to plot this, and this, these are the levels of support and resistances that you must watch out for Cirtek. So 5.43 bounce, it's bringing it to the 6.03 level. And if I'll zoom in further, you will see this. The breakout from the 6.03 level, if it stays above 6.03, next possible progression is it will go and zoom towards this. This does not hold. It could retest the 20-day moving average, or it could retest this upward trending line that's starting to form. So a couple of things to watch out for. Key support level right now is 6.03. That does not hold. Next possible support ranges are the 20-day moving average, this upward trending line, then this 5.43 support level. If it stays above this range, 6.03, target price to watch out for, 6.39. If it breaks past that, 6.98 or around 7. So next resistances to look out is 6.39 and 6.98 for the short term. So that's where we are from tech. Now I want to talk about SM. SM also, if you look at SM, it's so interesting because 3 days of large, massive green candles. And one of the reasons why also the index is up, and if you notice it, one of the reasons why it started to push up, it's mainly because of this bounce from the 20-day moving average. And that being said, also, if you notice and if you allow me to plot this, it broke out from this resistance at the 916 level. So why am I saying this? If this continues, if you continually see a possibility of it pushing higher, so next possible resistance for SM will be around the 980. If you'll be very, very strict, it could be 981 to around 991. So that's the possible move. That's a possible narrative. And one of the things that I'd like to plot to you guys is this. The upward push also is confirmed because this short downward movement from the failure to break the 980 resistance, boom, coincided with the 916 level, which showed itself as a resistance, got broken, and it also broke past the 916 level. So again, key areas to watch out for. Current support right now is 917. Next possible support level is the 20-day moving average. Then worst case, short-term support is at the 830 level. You have your resistance at 980. Then the next one is at the 991 level. Hope you guys are learning. Comment below if you're learning. Comment if this is something that's helping you and this is something that's giving content to all of you to trade the markets with confidence. I'll further reiterate though before I continue with the next stocks. Number one, these are not stock picks. Number two, these are not stock tips. These are stock market strategies and principles. It's me showing you from the charts, this is my way of analyzing it. And if you notice, this video most likely will be 10 to 12 minutes long. Kasama na dun yung analysis sa stock market. So imagine, may konting kwento na, but I was able to analyze 4 stocks already in one go, plus the index. So what do I mean by this? It doesn't take a lot of time for you to be able to analyze the markets. If you're busy with your job, you can do this every time. Pag uwi mo sa bahay, spend a few minutes of your time to allow you to analyze. And I'll tell you this, the stock market is the game. It's one of the best things that you can ever do. That's why I encourage you, try to build, try to learn something. Regardless if it's moving average, MACD, support and resistance, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements, parabolic SARS, Elliott wave chart patterns, regardless of what it is, what matters the most is you equip yourself with tools on how you can win and how you can find ways on trading the markets with confidence. So let's continue. Let's look at AGI. For AGI, this is its progression. I just featured this, I think, a couple of days ago, and you will see that it's still progressing in its breakout. So a possible move for this is if it moves a bit sideways here, it needs to break out from this range for it to go at this direction. If it doesn't break out from this range and it falls, then it could fall at the 647 level. So please write this down. 7.5 resistance, 6.47 support, 6.47 does not hold, 6 is next. This is the upward push. This is the upward progression. This is where it could possibly go over the next few trading days. And if I'll slot one here, boom, downward trend, got broken, started to reverse, broke out from this, broke out from the 20-day, broke out from 6, hit this resistance, did not break, bounce from 6, then 6.47, then this is where we are right now. So please write it down. 6.47 support. Your next possible resistance is around 7.4, 7.5 pesos per share. And as you can see here, it's still very, very evident that the main resistance that it needs to break out from is the 9.8 level. So comment 9.8, 9.8. But anyways, last stock is Metro Bank. I hope you're learning and I hope that this is giving you value. Our Metro Bank stock is requested by one of our Patreon community members. By the way, thank you so much to everyone supporting this channel. We have 2 ways to support the channel. Patreon, link is in the description. And the second one is our YouTube community, our YouTube community membership. Super appreciate the people who have been supporting and showing love to the channel as well. So this is where Metro Bank is. Similar to what I drew for the other stocks, this downward push is over. It's now trading and moving within this range. So support is 33.1, resistance is 36.26. If this does not, if it does not break out from the 36.26 level, then you can take profits at the 36.26. This is giving you a 9.6% upside. Failure, if it breaks out though, next possible target price for you will be at 39.43. This will give you an upside of around 19.2%. Breakout from that will bring you to around the 43 level. It's giving you 30.6 upside. So that's where we are right now. What I do know is this short-term downward push from June is over. It's now consolidating. For it to at least give you a short-term reversal, it must break out from this 36.2 level. So there, I hope you guys got a lot. I hope this is something that gave you massive amounts of value and content. As always, if you guys have any questions, slide a DM over Instagram. Pasensya na lang, sobrang dami nag-message. I'm trying my best to answer as much as possible, pero dami. Another one, just to reiterate, sa mga nakatanggap ng PM na ako mismo nag-initiate ng DM, please check the account. Kung Marvin Germo talaga, please check the number of followers kasi baka hindi ako yun, baka yun yung scammer na nag-add, kinokopya yung picture, yung account, and then nag-PM. I'll say this over and over, I am not offering any digital or any trading bot platform na kailangan nyo magbayad ng $5,000 for me to trade for you. I don't offer any of that. So kung meron ganon, scam yun, report nyo agad sa Instagram. And then you can also send your requests and questions via Patreon or our YouTube community. Links also down below for the books that I have. And yun, I hope you guys got a lot. And any of these stocks, Tech, SM, AGI, MBT, are you buying any of them? Put them in the comment section. Let me know. And there, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo. See you all again soon, guys. And God bless you all.